Hello and happy holidays in advance. I have decided to introduce some nice content on YouTube for you to enjoy during this break. Some of them serious and requires pen and paper, others to be enjoyed as entertainment. First, I introduce a few geometric measure theory flavor content. This one video by Petracci, I hope I'm saying it correctly, is a very nice discussion of uniform measures. He begins very slowly by recalling their definition, goes over the history, and I love his pace and his way of giving the talk. So that is to begin. Of course, when you watch something, try to look for other content, other material on the same channels and give them subscriptions as you do for mine, because that helps the message to get to more people. More geometric measure theory, Tatiana Toro, and this one also happens to be about geometry of measures. If you have been enjoying the fractal geometric material I covered using Matt Dilla's book, and you want to get deeper, this lecture can be a way of exposing yourself to some keywords in the area, getting some ideas, and maybe pursuing them later in textbooks. The minimal surface plateau problem type of geometric measure theory we've never talked about. It's a bit different. I have no experience in that. This lecture by Camilo de Lellis, one of the not just best mathematicians in geometric measure theory, but in general. And he also has a great lecturing style. So this one I really recommend. I've been to one of his lectures in Carnegie Mellon University once, and that was very nice. If you want more long series of videos, you can go nowhere else other than Enrico Ledone's amazing treatment of Subramanian geometry from many different aspects. He goes over many things, does proofs, has details. He's a fun guy to listen to as well. And you can never go wrong by following these videos on his channel. 151 subscribers. Come on, this is too little for such beautiful content. This is serious stuff. People take advantage of them. Okay, so other than geometric measure theory, if you're looking for type of material that has historic flavor to it, or it's about great mathematicians, either by talks by them or about them, I want to introduce you to Etienne Guis, Ghys. I hope I'm pronounced it correctly. He's a French mathematician, and he has been working with a big team of other mathematicians on bringing to light the history and the ideas that went behind the scenes to bring about Riemann mapping theorem. He is a great lecturer. There are many other lectures by him on internet about many things geometric. This is a series of 8 videos, so this is number 8. Actually, one of the best in the series is this number 8, where he brings together everything that he's been discussing. The first lecture is also very nice in that regard, that it gives the overall point of view of what's happening. And for more technical things, of course, you want to watch all the videos. So not only he gives beautiful math and he exposes actual math, he also gives the historical background and significance. In this lecture 8, he goes about talking why Möbius map wasn't actually invented by Möbius. Jordan curve theorem is not actually due to Jordan. Riemann mapping theorem wasn't proven by Riemann, and many other nice things. So he just doesn't talk about the theorem, but also Why was it significant? Why would they even consider such a question? It's amazing. He gives historical viewpoint, also the modern viewpoint. All in all, you'll never regret watching Etienne Guise talk about anything mathematical, including fashion and mathematics, by the way. This other series of lectures from Poincaré Duality channel, this was apparently an event to celebrate the solution of Poincaré conjecture by Parelman. And if there is no other reason to watch this video, just look at the front row. Misha Gromov, Sarah back there with gray hair. Somewhere Andre Wiles is here. Many top names, just these, the ones that I can remember now. And Bill Thurston, of course. Remember, Perelman proved his geometrization conjecture, as a result of which Poincaré conjecture followed. And this, in this very conference, seminar, whatever you call it, Misha Gromov himself gives a talk, Sarah gives a talk, Bill Thurston is giving the talk here, and each talk is full of insight, full of humor, full of deep philosophical, mathematical discussions. It's just beautiful to witness this. Just imagine Riemann, Poincaré, other people had these recordings and we could watch them these days. That would be a thing. So this is not just one lecture. I sampled this one, but again, in this very series, you will probably be suggested already by YouTube, but look for talks by Gromov, Sarah, and your favorites. One of the mathematicians missing in this conference, and I noticed, was John Milner. John Milner is an amazing writer of mathematics, and he's got this unique talent for exposing and writing mathematics. I have previously talked about these very old lectures that have been recently discovered, where he talks about differential topology. But then there are many modern talks by him about spheres, about Poincaré conjecture. This one, for example, topology through centuries, low-dimensional manifolds. Every talk he gives, he brings in something new. Again, the good thing about big mathematicians, they are so well-read and so aware of the history and significance of theorems that they know this flow of ideas, and they have this talent to bring them together and unify them in their presentation. Also, John Milner has given some interesting interviews where he talks about how he does math, the old mathematicians he worked with, some other anecdotes and stuff. Okay, yeah, here's another screenshot from one of his talks, Topology Through Centuries. And finally, of course, I can go on forever, but I want to start with the Simons Foundation videos. First of all, they have these shorts of Fields Medal winners. Jun Ha, Dominil Kopin, and Marina Vyazovsky. They were among the winners this past summer, and I was lucky to be in Finland, in Helsinki, for that very ceremony. So we watched these videos together in that hall, and they were there sitting on the stage watching each other's videos and also laughing with the audience at some of the very subtle jokes in them. And yeah, so they give very kind of sketchy description of what they did, what they are winning the Fields Medal for. Okay, so again, happy holidays. Enjoy watching these. Don't forget to subscribe to these people for putting these material together. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Young Measures, and I will continue bringing you more material from analysis on metric spaces. With that, Have a great one and bye.